Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you the before. I'm gonna do my best to put this together. I have never put anything together, I'm not gonna lie, a day in my life, in terms of like they had pieces and stuff that go with it. So I've had this for months and just hadn't taken the time to put it together. So we're gonna do that today. I would try to do that on camera, but I'm not gonna play myself. Again, I've never done it before. So stay tuned, I'll show you the finish. Okay, so how about I decided to, let's try to just do it together. Why not? So, got all the screws and it looks like they just all screwing going down, but I'm not sure if it's long or short. And I got dirt all over the floor, so there's that. I've been walking back and forth in and out today with straw all over the place, so I need to sweep. So, no judgment there. And we've been going back and forth outside because it's kind of turkey. I hope you all are having a really great Thanksgiving day so far. Oh, you know what? I think I have to put the bottom tray on. Hold on. And yes, I know that somebody probably thinking, well, why don't you just read the instruction manual? I don't want to. I'm the person that says, let's put it together based on the picture and hope there are no screws left over afterwards. So there's that. I'm that person. I'm not sure if it matters if all the trays are the same size or not. Let's see. And now I see why it was the longer screws. So yay. Ooh. Okay. Don't pull down like that. I'm probably gonna put the wheels on last so that way it's not rolling around while I'm trying to work on it. This is my favorite color. I don't know if I told y'all that or not, but my favorite colors are like this mint green. I lie. I love every color, but this is one of my favorite colors. I should say that. The mint green, teal green, hot pink, light pink. I'm so proud of myself to have gotten this far because literally I've never put anything together in my life. But I was like, you know what? I don't want to be that person that's like never knowing how to put stuff together. And I'm not about to put a dresser stand or anything like that together or a bed frame, but I would if I had to. But I was like, I wanted to see if I can do this. And now I'm feeling kind of silly that I was thinking about not doing it because it didn't seem that hard. But now I feel like I'm missing a screw. So there's that. There's an extra screw somewhere. There should be one more. And we don't have one more. I have to go figure that out. Oops. think the deepest tray goes on the top, so. Let me go see where, I know I dropped the screw, but I'm also missing a screw. Okay, well, I definitely was having a moment there. I was like, where are the other things? But I realized that is these. So these are the tops, I guess. Oh, so let's see. So in other words, I think it goes like that. And then these are the finishes. And I'm sure one of y'all knew that. Because I was like, we only had one screw left. And I was like, what the heck? Like, that's not going to work. Okay. I'm so excited because this is going to bring, I'm going to be able to bring my paints inside and roll them around and all that. I mean, have something to roll them around on, only because I think they're getting dried out from being in the garage. I'm going to need some lotion today, though. Yep, that's what it was. So the top's going here, and I guess that was just an extra screw for kicks and giggles. So now I just have to put the casters on the bottom. That's what it's looking like so far. How cool is that? And the box calls it a Chariot à rouler. All right. So let's put it on the side. Figure out how to put these wheels on. I'm sure it's probably simple. Let me go open up. So I told Lammy Price that I was gonna bother him to help me put this together, and I said, but I didn't want to bother him. So he said it's not hard. Which it hasn't been. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself for putting this together. I don't know how this is going to fit in here though, only because these screws seem longer than that whole distance, but let's see. Oh, that's what that's for. Okay. I kept trying to figure out what that little thing was for. Well, that's more cumbersome than anything else. Let's just do that. Oh my gosh. Can I tell you I'm excited, and I guess maybe that's used to tighten it. Scream! So excited! Okay. So, got one wheel on. Let's do another one. Of course, you can skip forward and see me rolling this around my living room. And then I'll show you what it looks like with my stuff on it. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. I want another one of these. I think I need two anyway. I think this one was $79.99, and my mom picked it up from the store for me. I paid for it, but she didn't take a coupon, which could have saved me probably like $18 at the time. So now when I go to get another one, I'm gonna take a coupon. So I'll be right back. Let me put these wheels on. Oh my God, you guys, look. Okay, last wheel on, last wheel tightened. I was trying to see, what do I have? Oh, I have gravy on my thumbnail from cooking. It's Thanksgiving. In case you don't see this video later and you're wondering like, what is going on with her fingernails? Oh my gosh, how freaking cute is this? I shouldn't say that word. That's like shoe cuss, and I don't like that. Okay, so, oh my gosh, look how cute. Is it not the most gorgeous minty green creation ever? So I'm just tightening the screws on the top. So cute. You can roll it around, turn it around, and then you can lock the wheels too. So the wheels lock. I don't know how to lock them, but I guess you just push them back that way. So that is so cool. Thanks for spending the day with me putting together my rolling card. Now it's time to craft up some stuff. Bofa, look who put together their own rolling cart. Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. I put together my own rolling cart and the wheels locked too, and it's for my paint, my jewelry paint and stuff. Look at me, look at me. In case someone asked, I wanted to put which tray or rolling cart I got. So it's the Lexington 3-tier rolling cart from Michaels. There are the measurements. And there's the name, the color, and the barcode. So look, this is just some of the stuff on there now. So if I was brilliant, I don't know what's making that sound. Oh, I might have locked one of the wheels. But you could turn it around and then have stuff facing a different direction too. So this is gonna be so handy. And I haven't even filled it all the way up. When I was bringing out some of the paints, I noticed a lot of the paints had dried up just because they've been in the garage. So I'm throwing away any bad bottles that don't have good paint in it or aren't working properly to squeeze out. So there she is. Hope you go get one. Let's get organized so we can make even more great stuff.